What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Our Life in ADHD.
I was trying to fix my hair before you started, but okay, y'all. What's up, Heidi? How we doing?
I thought you was ready.
How we doing? I mean, I got my big twist in. Now that this supposed to be a twist out, y'all girls who natural, y'all know what it's about.
Like I said,
together, and you already ready.
Like I said, welcome back to Our Life in ADHD. And as you can tell by the red tips that you see, the red tails, basically we have another cold treat for the summer, a good summer treat for you guys to try. DQ has, well, you said DQ.
I was just looking at DQ, the sign right there on my face. I was like, DQ.
Oh. Dairy Queen has just released 2 new summer blizzard flavors. What I have with me today is the Oreo Cheesecake blizzard.
And I have the Frosted Animal Cookie not cheesecake. It's just Frosted Animal Cookie blizzard.
Yeah, blizzard, yeah.
That's all.
So I imagine it's just an Oreo cookie and cheesecake chunks, yeah, mixed into an ice cream.
Yeah, I'm thinking it's just the frosted ice cookies.
But we don't want to talk too much because I don't want mine to melt.
Mine melting now.
It's real good.
It's definitely true on those Frosted Animal Cookies up in here. It's pretty sweet though.
It got, like I said, it has the cheesecake chunks in it. Outside of that, it tastes like cookie and cream ice cream, but it got cheesecake
but with chocolate ice cream instead of vanilla?
I don't know. Is this chocolate ice cream?
Yeah. What color it is, Dion?
So, wait, before I keep going, before I said that I think you was going to try mine, but this is so good, I don't think I want to let it go. I'm sorry.
This is good. It got the real cookie, frosted cookies in it. The animal cookies.
Yeah?
You used to eat them when you was younger?
Yeah.
I used to eat them when I was younger too.
I had a small phase, but I wasn't really too fond of them.
This is interesting. I'm gonna try yours.
I said I didn't want you to try it.
Wait, I gotta get a spoon.
What? That's too much. So good, ain't it? Which one better?
Mine. Let me get another spoon.
No, you said yours better. Bro, stop. Get smaller than that.
You chill out.
Bro.
Mine better, but that's good. It's good. I think I need more Oreo cookies in that.
Yours is not better. It's good.
I think I need more Oreo cookies. It's like they got a lot of the cheesecake chunks in it. I think I need more Oreos. Cause this got a lot of cookie.
Oh, that's good though. It's not better than mine though. I'm saying you know.
I like the crunch. There's a lot of cookies in here.
I don't care for crunch.
It's good. Yours just got.
You got a cheesecake with yours?
Yeah, it's too much cheesecake, and it ain't good cheesecake, you know.
Nah, that was good to me.
You know Dairy Queen know how the good cheesecake bites.
Nah, this good to me.
Okay, y'all. So let me give y'all a detailed description of what's in it. I have the vanilla soft serve ice cream with the chips in it, the frosted animal crackers in it. That's all. Yours is more so of like, it looks like it's chocolate ice cream with Oreo cookies in it and cheesecake chunks. Yeah, that's basically what it is.
Mine better. I get this again. If I had a choice between the two, I'll buy this again.
Really? I'm sorry, Dan. This is way better than that. I think the cheesecake chunks is not good. So you're trying to tell me yours better than mine?
But remember, I'm a cookie and cream fan.
So you being biased then? You can't be biased. You gotta give the people true rating to this.
Isn't it always biased when you say you like something? Somebody can always say they don't like it. Yeah, it's all subjective.
But how can you go wrong with ice cream?
That's not nasty. That's
this
good.
Is good.
But
it's surprising actually.
This is better.
I don't think that's better. I'm getting a spoon. I'm trying to let them know.
But I like this.
I don't care. It's not about what you like. It's about the taste. You got to see what it is. What's this about? Okay, put it this way. If you a chocolate ice cream fan, Oreo fan, and cheesecake fan, you'll like that. But if you like cheesecake and no chocolate, you won't like that.
But I don't like
it's
chocolate
like it's
ice
like
cream,
too many variables with that one.
I don't like chocolate ice cream.
I know, but it's just too many variables with that. This right here, it's just basic. Vanilla ice cream with cookies in it. That's it.
This basic. Chocolate ice cream with cookies and cheesecake.
But some people don't like cheesecake, so they wouldn't like that.
Some people don't like cookies. Some people don't like vanilla.
I think vanilla ice cream soft serves are more popular than chocolate.
But are animal cookies more popular than Oreo cookies?
But that's not true Oreo cookie. Those little bites. It's not real Oreo pieces.
That's not real animal pieces.
This is.
What brand? What brand?
I don't know what brand.
Is that?
That right there is like, y'all know how in the restaurants they don't have like the cream inside. Okay, Cold Stone. They have the real Oreo pieces because they have the Oreo and the filling that's inside of it, chunks of that. That's just the cookie part. So you can't even call that Oreo. That's just the chocolate cookie chunks. It's not the cream with it.
You ain't gonna be able to tell me what's better. I'm telling you.
It's good.
Y'all make sure y'all go get the Oreo cheesecake.
The frosted animal cookie, frost blizzard.
Make sure y'all go get the Oreo cheesecake blizzard.
How about y'all get both? No. These are minis. These are the minis, and they are $3.19.
$3.67.
I thought it was $3.19.
Oh no,
$3.19. They're $3.19. Try both and let us know which one you like.
I like this whole thing. Sound like you was stepping in the bottle.
That cause I'm done. That was pretty tasty. Alright y'all, hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Leave us a like. Click. Like
you know what you're doing. You get it.
What? Take a picture, click.
Check me out. Yeah, I know what I'm doing.